Today, the University of Reading launched Cine Valley, a concept of building some of the largest film and television studios anywhere in the world. Today, we're trying to show the kind of films and blockbusters we hope to attract to Cine Valley. And we want to give our communities, our local communities and our students a sense of that excitement of what the University of Reading is going to be about. We are very excited about it because we are going to create opportunities for our students to be part of this very exciting and glamorous industry. But it's not just for our students, it's also for our local communities to be part of it. We want to bring a diverse and inclusive way of thinking about film and television to the world. Cine Valley will be a great opportunity for our students, not just in film and television, but in all kinds of disciplines, because we are creating an ecosystem here. We're thinking of placements, internship, work opportunities while you study here, and also proper work opportunities when you graduate from the University of Reading.
Thinking specifically about people who'd be looking to develop careers in these kinds of areas, one of the most difficult things about launching your career in film and television or the related industries is that first step. How do you get going? How do you get the professional experiences that enable you to put everything you've learnt in your education to bear and to work in the right kind of way? Films are a really complex organisation with lots of moving parts. There are protocols and set behaviours and pragmatic skills that we need to develop, and both the opportunity to develop those through work placements, through work experience opportunities, through master classes with visiting professionals, all of those things are really exciting. But if we can find a way of integrating that structurally into the relationship between the university and Cine Valley, then that will really be a game changer, both for those individual students, but also for the industry, because we're in a period of massive growth in film and television production. The fact that studios like this are being built at the moment indicates the demand for production, but it's not just spaces and technology, it's also people with the right skills and the right outlook. And bringing those things together in a structured way, I think is going to be really exciting and important, could be a game changer.